Imagine a world where you could capture a moment in time, the sound of a voice, the melody of a song, and replay it whenever you wanted. Today, that's as simple as pressing a button. But in the late 1800s, it was nothing short of a miracle. And the man behind this miracle? Thomas Edison. But here's the twist. This groundbreaking invention wasn't the light bulb. It was something even more revolutionary, yet almost forgotten. This is the story of the phonograph, Edison's brilliant innovation that promised to change the world and almost did, before it faded into obscurity. The year was 1877. Thomas Edison, already famous for his work on the telegraph and the electric light, was working tirelessly in his Menlo Park laboratory. But amid all his projects, there was one invention that truly captured his imagination, a machine that could record and playback sound. He called it the phonograph. For the first time in history, human voices could be captured and replayed. It was nothing short of magic. Newspapers hailed it as Edison's talking machine, and the world watched in awe as he brought sound to life. The phonograph was set to revolutionize communication, entertainment, and education. Edison envisioned a world where phonographs would be in every home, recording family voices, preserving important speeches, and even teaching languages. It was more than just a machine. It was a window into the future. Edison believed his phonograph would become the next great household necessity, just like the telephone or the electric light. And for a time, it seemed he was right. But then, just as quickly as it had risen, the phonograph's star began to dim. Other inventors, inspired by Edison's work, started creating their own versions of sound recording devices, ones that were cheaper, more reliable, and capable of recording longer durations. Two of the most significant among these were the Gramophone and the Gramophone, each bringing something new to the table and quickly surpassing the phonograph in popularity. First, there was the Gramophone, developed by Alexander Graham Bell, his cousin Chichester Bell, and Charles Tainter in the late 1880s. The Gramophone improved upon Edison's phonograph by using wax-coated cardboard cylinders, instead of Edison's tinfoil-covered ones. This seemingly small change made the Gramophone more durable, and its sound quality was superior. The wax cylinders could be shaved down and reused, making them more cost-effective as well. The Gramophone's innovations were significant enough that they began to attract the attention of businesses and consumers, who saw it as a more practical choice than Edison's original machine. Then came the Gramophone, the brainchild of Emil Berliner, a German-born American inventor. Berliner took a radically different approach by using flat discs instead of cylinders. These discs, or records, were easier to produce, cheaper to manufacture, and allowed for longer recording times. The Gramophone was also more compact and user-friendly. Unlike the phonograph and graphophone, which recorded sound in vertical grooves, the Gramophone recorded sound laterally, which further improved sound quality. The Gramophone quickly became the preferred device for recording and playing back sound. Its ability to mass-produce records and its superior audio quality made it a commercial success. Soon, the Gramophone was in homes across the world, and the era of recorded music truly began. The phonograph, despite its revolutionary start, couldn't keep up with these advancements. But why did the phonograph, a device with so much promise, fade away? It wasn't just the competition or the rapid pace of technological advancement. The real reason was Edison's own stubbornness, his refusal to adapt and innovate beyond his original creation. In the end, the phonograph wasn't outdone by better ideas. It was left behind by its own creator. The story of the phonograph is a lesson in the fleeting nature of innovation. It's a reminder that even the greatest ideas can be forgotten if they don't evolve with the times. Edison's phonograph may be a relic, but its echo lives on in every recording device we use today. If you're fascinated by forgotten inventions and the stories behind them, subscribe to Obscura Inventions, where we uncover the hidden gems of history, one story at a time.